There's a lot of menu options in Excel, which confuses new and experienced users alike who simply want to perform some essential analysis and improve the presentation of their data. I'll show you how to work around this challenge, and I'll explain how to use the Quick Analysis feature within Excel spreadsheets. First, we'll review what Quick Analysis can do, and then we'll use it to accomplish a task. You'll start with a spreadsheet like this one that contains the data you'd like to start working with. Go ahead and select a range of cells. The Quick Analysis button appears here on the lower right-hand corner. If you click on it, there's 5 menu options. Let's go ahead and look at each one of them. First, you have formatting, and that's conditional formatting, which uses rules to highlight interesting data within your spreadsheet. Then we can take a look at charts. We'll go ahead and click on that. From here, we can make charts using the data that we have. We can also click more, and we can see other chart types. So we'll click on all charts, and we can see a list of different chart types. Then we can take a look at totals. Totals allows you to perform functions on columns and rows. From here we can summarize the columns. We can do a column average, count, percentage of total, or the running total for the columns. Then we have the ability to do the same thing for the rows. We can summarize the rows. We can average, count, do a percentage of total, or the running total for the row. Now let's take a look at tables. Tables allow you to sort, filter, and summarize your data. Let's take a look at spark lines. Spark lines are mini charts placed within individual cells. Let's go ahead and add a chart to the spreadsheet. Let's click on Charts, and we'll go ahead and click More. From here, we'll click All Charts. We'll use the Column option, and then from here, we'll select Stacked Column. Then we'll click OK. We'll make some adjustments. We'll give it a title, which will be Weekly Sales Report. Let's go ahead and move it, and we can resize it. And you're done. I hope you've benefited from today's gift. If you found this video useful, please feel free to share it with family, friends, and colleagues. Bye for now.